Hey my loves, welcome back! Today we're diving into the future of beauty, specifically the hottest eyebrow trends for 2025. I've scoured runways and top artists to bring you the ultimate guide, and we're bringing these looks to life with claymation. From fluffy, full brows to sharp, defined arches, there's a style for every mood. We'll break down each trend and show you how to make it your own. Grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's jump into the world of 2025 eyebrow trends. First up, the fluffy laminated brow, still reigning supreme in 2025. This look is all about brushed-up, feathery brows that add texture and volume, giving you that effortless, model-off-duty vibe. The secret? Embrace your natural growth pattern and avoid the stiff, glued-down look. Use a stronghold brow gel or brow soap, brushing hairs upward for lift and separation. Don't aim for perfection. Controlled chaos is what makes this trend modern and chic. Fluffy brows are versatile. They look fresh with bare skin or add softness to a full glam look. It's about confidence and celebrating your natural texture. Our claymation model shows how upward strokes create lift and fullness. No heavy filling needed. Let your natural brows be the star. This trend is pure, effortless elegance. It's less about drawing a new shape, more about enhancing what you have. Fluffy brows are here to stay, and they're all about embracing your unique beauty. Try it and let your brows shine. Next, meet the softly defined arch, the sophisticated modern take on structured brows. Think soft, hair-like strokes and gentle powder for a sculpted yet natural look. The arch is present but graceful, never harsh. Use a fine-tipped pencil or powder to outline and fill, focusing on the arch and tail, keeping the front diffused. Blend with a spoolie for a seamless gradient from light to defined. This style flatters everyone, lifting and refining your features. It's perfect for everyday wear, polished but never overdone. Our claymation friend rocks a clean, blended arch with no hard edges. The result? Brows that look naturally flawless and timeless. It's modern sophistication at its best. Try this for a universally flattering, elevated look. Ready for something bold? Enter bleached brows, the ultimate statement for 2025. This trend transforms your look, shifting focus to your eyes and cheekbones for an edgy, ethereal vibe. Go full bleach for drama or lighten for a softer effect. Always see a pro for bleaching, or fake it with concealer and powder for a temporary look. Bleached brows can be futuristic or delicate, depending on your style and makeup pairing. Pair with a smoky eye for impact, or pastels for a dreamy feel. Our claymation model shows how this trend changes the whole face. Eyes pop, features shift. It's a powerful, creative way to reinvent your look. Not for the faint of heart, but perfect if you want to break the rules. Bleached brows are all about transformation and self-expression. If you're feeling adventurous, this might be your ultimate power move. Dare to try it? Now, let's talk micro-feathering, the art of ultra-natural, realistic brows. Unlike microblading, micro-feathering fills in sparse areas, working with your natural shape for a your brows but better effect. A skilled artist creates fine, hair-like strokes that blend seamlessly with your real brows. It's perfect for low-maintenance beauty. Wake up with full, textured brows every day. Do your research and choose a certified artist for the best results. Follow aftercare for crisp, natural-looking strokes. Micro-feathering is understated beauty at its finest. Ideal for anyone wanting to restore natural fullness in 2025. Time to get playful. Colored brows are taking over. Think pastel pinks, electric blues, or vibrant greens. Your brows are now a canvas for creativity. Use colored brow mascara, liquid lipstick, or eyeshadow for a temporary pop. Go bold with a full monochrome brow or subtle with ombre or highlights. This trend is perfect for festivals, parties, or whenever you want to stand out. Our claymation model rocks pastel purple brows for instant whimsy. Colored brows are all about self-expression and fun. Don't be afraid to experiment. Your makeup bag is full of possibilities. Give your brows a splash of color and transform your look. Let's switch gears to minimalist brows, the ultimate in no makeup. This trend is about grooming, not sculpting, just tidy natural brows. Brush hairs into place with clear gel and resist the urge to over-perfect. If needed, add a few light pencil strokes for subtle fullness. Focus on brow health. Use a serum for thicker, stronger hairs. Minimalist brows radiate pure, authentic beauty. Our claymation model shows how fresh and serene this look can be. It's a shift from makeup to brow care. Less is truly more. Let your natural features shine. Embrace simplicity and let your minimalist brows do the talking. Sometimes the best beauty is the most effortless. For our final trend, let's go all out. Brow embellishments. Decorate your brows with gems, pearls, glitter, or metallic accents for instant glamour. Perfect for festivals, parties, or when you want to make a statement. Use skin-safe adhesive and tweezers for precise placement. Try a few rhinestones for subtle sparkle or go bold with a full jeweled arch. Our claymation model dazzles with crystal-adorned brows. Pure magic. This trend proves makeup is art and your face is the canvas. Even a single gem can elevate your look. Be bold, creative, and let your brows shine bright in 2025. Don't be afraid to experiment. Have fun with it. That's a wrap on 2025's biggest brow trends. From fluffy to bold, we've covered it all. Which trend is your favorite? Are you team fluffy, color, or minimalist? Let me know in the comments. Your creativity inspires me. Let's chat about your next brow adventure. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty trends and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time, my loves.